students, I'm going to explain this textbook, Calculus and Vector, Nielsen School Textbook. I'm going to do Chapter 7 unit test. So this is Chapter 7 test on page 422. So I'm going to illustrate the question 6. Calculation for the area of a triangle given with the ABC vertex C point. Let's start doing it. Now, the question 6 is giving you ABC point, a triangle. So we're going to find the area. To do the area, we need to find the vector from the point and then cross product, and then find the magnitude of the cross product and divide by 2. Then we arrive the answer for the triangle area. Now let's find the vector first. So vector AB. So it's going to be point B minus point A. So we're going to do the first one. So 2 minus -1. That's for X. And then 1 minus 3. That's for a Y. So, and then Z. 3 minus 5. Now we're going to get a point. It's going to be 3 and -2 and -2. So that's the vector AB. Now we're going to do vector BC. So it's C point minus B point. So we have the -1 minus 2. Now for X, 1 minus 1. And for Z, 4 minus 3. Now we're going to get the point. -3, 0, and 1. That's vector BC. So we get 2 vectors. Now we're going to see for vector AB cross vector BC, we're going to give a name. It's called vector A. Now let's start to do it on the next page. Now I wrote the 2 vectors here, vector AB and vector BC. So we're going to cross product. Vector AB cross vector BC. So we write X and Y, Z. We write AB vector and BC vector here. Now let's start to do cross. So the answer is called vector A. Let's do the x-axis first. So the shape, just I wrote it on top. So we're going to cross and vertical. So whatever left is in the center, this 4 number, we directly shift it here. Now, the next is for the y-axis. So we're going to draw a T-chart, cross the top, put the vertical line. Whatever left is the first column and the last column. We're going to directly put the number here. Now, and then for Z, the shape just opposite with X. So we're going to do this way and cross this row. Whatever left is these 2 columns. We directly move it here. Good. So we done our first step. Now, the next part, we're going to do calculation for cross number, multiply, and subtract. Now for X, we cross the number. -2 times 1 minus -2 times 0. Now we do the y-axis. So we cross the number. 3 times 1 minus -2 times -3. Now the last step we do is the Z z-axis. So we cross the number 3 times 0. Subtract -2 times -3. We just have enough room to fit in the number. Now let's do the calculation. I've done a small calculation here. -2 times 1 is -2. -2 times 0, negative, so we add 0 here. So, and then 3 minus 6 and 0 minus 6. So -2 times -3, positive 6 times the sign. Now we're going to write the vector. So it's going to be for x, we can write like that. It's -2. So, and then for y, we're going to get -3. So, and then for z, we're going to get -6. Now we write the answer of the cross product. So it's -2, 3, and -6. Now to find the area, we're going to find the magnitude of this cross product. So the vector AB cross vector BC, the magnitude is equal the formula, distance formula. Now we use calculator to find the final answer. So it's equal 49, which is equal 7. So now we're going to find the area of the triangle. So we're going to write the formula first. Now the formula is the area of the triangle ABC is equal 1/2 times the magnitude of the cross product, which is 7. Then we put 1/2 times 7, we are going to get 7/2 or equal 3.5 square unit. So this is the area, the answer we're looking for. So that's how we solve it. So, and I'm going to do a slide review here. So at given point, first you find the vector. When you find the vector, and then you're going to do cross product. So you're going to take two vector, cross product, and remember use the shape. X for this shape, plus the number, and Y for the T, plus the vertical, and Z for this shape, plus the number. So, and then you write down the number you need to cross, multiply, and subtract, and you arrive the vector. So when you get the vector, and you're going to use the magnitude equation and find the magnitude of this vector product. And 1/2 of the magnitude will be the area of the triangle. So wow, we solved it already. It isn't hard, but has to be details and memorize the formulas. And the key thing, memorize the step of doing the cross product and the shape like that. Good. So I use simplified way for the cross product and find the area of the shape. So, and please subscribe my video. And I'm going to continue explain to you for vector calculation. And this is Smart Kids Learning Center, the tutoring class, our online class contact number, and the course we majoring tutoring. And thank you. Keep your efforts for practice. I'm going to see you on the next video. Bye-bye.